All right, so I'm just using some mini balloons and I'm dipping them in some milk chocolate and white chocolate. I like to add the white chocolate for a nice little swirl effect. And we're just covering that base of that balloon in our melted chocolate and then placing it on a tray. I'm gonna add a little bit more white chocolate to this mixture so that we can get a cooler effect. I'm hoping for something kind of marble. And these are just the Ghirardelli chocolate melts. Makes it super easy. You just follow the directions on the back of the sheet and you get the perfect melting chocolate. Ooh, this one's gonna be pretty.
Oh, this technique looks really cool.
Yeah, it's super fun and so easy. You just need some water balloons and melted chocolate. All right, last one. Now I'm gonna pop these in the fridge so they can harden. While those are in the fridge, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a bowl and this milk chocolate mousse mixture. We're gonna use this whole bag of the milk chocolate mousse. This stuff is so good and works great if you're in a pinch and want some yummy chocolate mousse. Okay, just get all of that box out. And we're just gonna follow the directions and add 1 cup of cold milk into our bowl.
Does it have to be whole milk?
No, whatever milk you like. So I'm gonna use half this bottle because this is a 2-cup bottle. Makes my life a little bit easier. Perfect. Now, it recommends using an electric mixer, so let's go ahead and turn this on. Okay, now this is looking like a mousse. So beautiful, look, it's just like the perfect consistency. So we're gonna pop this in the freezer for 15 minutes to let it harden a little. All right, so these have completely hardened and we're just gonna go ahead and pop them. Woo! Okay, and we're gonna grab that balloon carefully out of our little chocolate bowl. Let's take the rest of these balloons out. Mousse is ready. Let's go ahead and, oh yeah.
That's perfect.
Scoop it right into our little chocolate cups. Oh my goodness, that mousse looks so good. So fluffy and delicious. We're doing some big scoops in here, but don't worry, this is not all of it. We have something special coming up. But let's go ahead and fill these up to the top. Am I right?
Yeah, these are so cute. Never would have thought to do chocolate this way.
Yep, and they're just like such an easy way to have a fancy dessert. You know, a couple minutes goes a long way with these beautiful little chocolate cups. All you needed was some balloons and some melted chocolate, and you have something that will impress all of your guests. And you didn't have to turn on the oven. That's my favorite part.
And you used all of the mousse perfectly. The one package was perfect.
Exactly. All right. Now, in order to make these extra pretty, I made some whipped cream real quick, just a standard heavy cream and powdered sugar recipe. And we are gonna pipe that whipped cream right on top.
Wow.
And trust me, there's more coming. These are summer desserts, so we are gonna make them nice and summer filled.
Wait, so is this good and there's more?
Yeah, we want them to look even prettier, okay?
Okay, I'm all for it. Why do you think I'm here?
Okay, last one. Just really get, hopefully I made enough whipped cream. Ooh, perfect. Okay. So now I'm gonna grab everybody's favorite cookie. And we're gonna take one of these, break it in half, and then put them right in the back of each of our little, quickly get your little cookies, and it makes them look super cute. Now, to make these nice and summer filled, I love chocolate and fruit together, so we're gonna start with some kiwi. Just place like 2 slices right there along your cookie. These are coming out so beautiful.
These are kind of fancy.
Yeah.
These are like classy.
They're so fancy, but like they were so easy, right? Like
Yeah.
so much easier than, you know, baking a cake or creme brulee, but looks just as fancy.
You know what I get afraid of? Like icing the cake, right? So this just beats this. This
Yes,
beats this.
exactly. I mean, if you have a piping bag, you can do anything. You can make everything look pretty.
Yeah, as long as you just believe.
Okay, got our kiwi. Add some strawberries. Look how beautiful this is coming together. We're just gonna place a strawberry just like that. One little slice of strawberry right on top to make these super fruit filled. It's almost like a chocolate fruit cup. It's pretty much what we made here.
Yeah. Chocolate fruit salad,
Yeah.
pretty much.
Okay. And all these fruits are optional. You can use your favorite fruits, but I just picked your standard summer fruits. I'm gonna go in with some blueberries, maybe like 2 right there. Just have fun with the placing, you know, kind of, you know, have some thought behind your placing so that it looks, you know, like you put thought into your desserts. These are gonna be so cute for our little 4th of July party coming up. And, you know, you can make these all year round. They're great for, you know, Christmas. They're great for Halloween, whatever you want to make these for. You can decorate them however you want, and people are going to love them. All right, let's finish this off with 1 blackberry. And there you have it. Look how cute our little chocolate fruit cups are, and took no time. Just pop things in the fridge, take them out of the fridge, and you have a beautiful dessert. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's make sure this guy can come off. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get a fork. All right, get a nice bite of that mousse.
Is it good?
Oh, this is perfect, you guys. Gotta try it.